Hi everyone, I'm Nanny and I love to cook. I'm coming to you from Southwest Missouri. We live down here in what's called Ozark Mountain Country. We are close to the Arkansas line and not very far from Branson, Missouri. Most people have heard of Branson, Missouri. And the weather has just been beautiful down here. Spring is in the air. We've got some of our garden planted and we're eating fresh lettuce and onions and radishes, and they taste so good. But today I'm going to do my final in this series called Old Dog, New Trick. I'm the old dog and I've got some new tricks for you. Because over the years, if you've watched our videos, you know that I'm a big proponent on eating foods that have less additives and preservatives, mainly eating it as close to how God made it as we possibly can. But I've heard from a lot of you that say, that's all fine and well, but I don't have time to do all that. I've got a family, I work full time, I'm taking care of my elderly parents, or whatever the reason. They were asking for some recipes that they could get on the table quicker and feed their families. So a few weeks ago, I did a series on cake mix cookies, and it seemed like you all liked it very well. So we're going to expand on that today, and we're going to make some muffins out of cake mixes. I want to show you here. Now, I'm doing this all by myself today because hubby's out mowing the yard, so I'm going to have to move the camera myself. But I want to show you these muffins. This one is a banana muffin, and you could also make a banana bread out of it. You could make banana nut bread if you wanted to also. And this one is a blueberry muffin that we used fresh blueberries in. And I'm just going to quickly tell you how we did these recipes, and then I will post the recipes on our site too. First, the banana nut muffin, or the banana muffins that I like to put nuts in, is made with a yellow or a white or a lemon cake mix, depending on what flavor that you like best. It calls for the cake mix, 2 eggs, vanilla, cinnamon, mashed bananas, and eggs. Did I say eggs already? And then some oil or melted butter. And you bake these about 20 to 22 minutes, and once they make your house smell so good. And once they're done, you can either eat them warm or let them cool too. Now, these blueberry muffins call for a few more ingredients than the banana muffins call for. Again, it's a yellow cake mix, it's baking powder, a little bit of flour, eggs, milk, oil, and blueberries. And like I said, I use fresh blueberries in mine. You bake these again, depending on the size of muffins you're making, about 20 to 22 minutes. And they make your house smell really good too. So I hope you'll try these recipes. Try them with your kids. It's something that they could do very easily too. Now then, like I said, this is the final one of the old dog's new tricks. And I will start a new series. But before we do that, there's a class down in Hollister, Missouri, fifth graders in Mrs. Garris's class. And they've been watching our videos and wanted us to come down and give a demonstration. Well, I've got a surprise for them. They're going to be in the video too. So it'll be 2 or 3 weeks and we'll be back with that video, and really looking forward to it. And I just want to thank you all for subscribing. We have a lot of new subscribers this month, and for sharing and for liking. And we love to hear your comments on things too. So be sure and Do those things for us, and we would really appreciate it. And let us know of some videos that you would like to see. Okay, until the next time, God bless you. Bye bye.